Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Press the bell icon for more videos and new ideas. Here are some landscaping ideas to create an enchanting outdoor space. Thoughtful landscape design is the key to creating an outdoor space that truly revives and inspires you. Whether you have a tiny country yard in an urban area or sprawling estate in the country, everything from grass type to the design of the flower beds and the hardscaping contributes to how you use this space and how often to help you transform your own patio, yard, garden, and more. We have rounded up inspiring landscaping ideas and examples that truly makes the most of their natural surroundings. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Scour the list of answers to your own design dilemmas and you might happen across a few unexpected ideas along the way. And if you are looking for a simple guide to help you come up with a landscape design from scratch, keep watching to the end. These outdoor spaces will pave the way to better landscape design for every size, style and region. Want more beautiful home and we have got plenty. Let's swoon over them together. Nothing channels the French country yard side like a lavender field, especially one that leads to a stone flowers arranging studio. Wendy on wanted her Sonoma, California property to feel like a land-back rustic French village and more beautiful areas. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching my video.